Narad, what's that noise?
Narayana, Narayana. Lord, your devotees are doing prayers for you on earth.
But why so much noise?
Narayana, Narayana.
Allahu Akbar, Allah.
Listen, please listen properly to what I am saying. To have good thoughts in your mind and peace in life, you must fast and keep your body healthy. In the world, nobody must be sad. That's why I do charity to the needy. So as not to forget my message, read my book of advice daily. Nobody should be disturbed. That you should always remember. Love for humanity is true devotion for me. This is my message, and this is the path to heaven.
So true.
Hey, gentle soul, to be angry, to have an ego, to cheat people, and to be greedy are all the reasons for your unhappiness. And all these are issues of the mind. You are a soul. The mind is totally different from the soul. Think about these 4 things. These are the things I have told you to give up. This is sacrifice. And to have a happy nature, that is non-violence. And those who will think about the mistakes, only they will be able to understand them and will be able to get rid of them. This is the path to get rid of all your sadness and stay in your happy nature. That was my advice.
I have also said the same thing in the Gita, that come into my shelter and you will be free of your sadness. To come into my shelter does not mean this. What I mean is, walk on the path that I have shown. The reason for sadness is not desire, but expectations. Your job is to do your work honestly and do not expect anything in return. You will get your fruits in return, and whatever you get, you have to accept it because all desires are not fulfilled. And those expectations of your desires is what that makes you unhappy. And that's the reason for your sadness. Contentment is happiness.
Oh Lord, Narayana, Narayana.
Please leave that. We are not there. We are there inside you. That is just a place made for us.
And to take care of these places, you fight and hurt each other. Then how are we to stay inside your heart?
Look at these kids. Look, they have no religion. They have only one religion, humanity. Nothing in this world is permanent. Then why fight? We have understood this, and that's why we have given up. To give up is happiness. Give up your stubbornness. Give up your ego. Give up your greed. Give up your dirty thoughts. Give respect to people's values. And whoever does this is Dhamma Sharanam Gacchami. And whoever goes against this will never be Dhamma Sharanam Gacchami.
That's right, my Lord.
Look, in religion, all are made equal. And to increase in numbers does not become progress for their religion. Just love one another. If someone slaps you, then offer the other cheek too. Think of your mistakes and feel sorry for them. To forgive is the only path to reach me.
Our message is small, then why do big things to say it? Be simple, be helpful, respect everyone, and do your work honestly. And whenever you follow this, that is our devotion. That is religion. Narayan, Narayan.
Narayana, Narayana. Well said, Lord. All your messages are so similar. But you can see, it's so surprising that you all are living here together. And these devotees of yours on your name have made different castes and are not living together. Narayan, Narayan.